Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today's deep dive brings you an all-new, sleek and sharply edited breakdown of the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II, covering every juicy whisper and rumor on release timing, pricing insights, and the full specs reveal for creators, wildlife shooters, tech enthusiasts, and beyond. Let's unpack this APS-C powerhouse. Anticipated release window and timing hints. Canon rumors recently confirms that shipping could begin early Q4 2025, so expect early October to hit the shelves. Their scheduled dealer presentation was delayed, but speculation still leaned toward a September announcement or early Q4 availability. Earlier speculation from Canon rumors pegged an arrival in Q3 or Q4 of 2025, which aligns with the current buzz. Combined, these point to a late 2025 release horizon, with buzz building fast as we edge into fall. Design and ergonomics. Evolution leaks suggest the Mark II will adopt the R5 Mark II style body, meaning denser grip, refined controls, and robust ergonomics that feel more professional. The new design could broaden the camera's footprint, still travel light but with elevated durability and handling. Add in rumored compatibility with accessories like the cooling grip from the R5 Mark II, great for extended video or burst tasks. Sensor and processor. Next-gen imaging. Power word is the sensor jumps to approximately 33 MP APS-C stacked CMOS, offering blazing readout speeds and minimal rolling shutter. This stacked architecture could push burst shooting to around 40 frames per second, nearly matching flagship models like the EOS R1. The dual engine of Digic X plus Digic Accelerator promises lightning-fast processing and elevated subject detection, stabilization, viewfinder and recording formats. Upgraded IBIS promises up to 8.5 stops of stabilization, a significant leap for APS-C, enabling tack-sharp results even with slow shutter speeds. The EVF is rumored to stay at 2.36 million dots, which some may view as modest but still functional. Capture capability, 4K up to 120p, 10-bit with C-Log3, and full-frame pre-continuous burst, plus intelligent in-camera upscaling, electronic shutter and pre-continuous A full electronic shutter system is expected, making for virtually silent operation and blazing speeds, perfect for wildlife or stealth shooting. Pre-continuous bursts mean the camera records milliseconds before you press the shutter, game-changing for capturing fleeting moments. Rumored video and imaging specs overview. 4K 120 frames per second, 10-bit recording, C-Log3 support, and in-camera upscaling equip creators with pro-level video flexibility. Expected capture speed of 40 frames per second. Electronic ensures you won't miss critical action sequences. Increased body size plus Digic-powered processing further indicates a serious boost over the original EOS R7. Pricing and market position. While no official pricing has surfaced, analysts think Canon may aim higher than the R7's original $1,500 to $1,900 price range, possibly $2,000 to $2,500 tier, to reflect its more pro-tier upgrades. Reddit discussions reflect community sentiment. Canon rumors has said that a refresh is likely coming in 2025. If they add and fix a lot of the original R7 issues, I'm more than ready to spend some more money. Final thoughts. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II looks poised to redefine the APS-C mirrorless game, elevating everything we love about the original with professional-grade features, stacked sensor, high-speed burst, robust IBIS, improved design, and cinematic video tools. If these rumors hold, it could be the go-to body for enthusiast photographers, wildlife shooters, hybrid creators, and professionals needing powerful performance in a compact form. Stay tuned as more credible leaks surface. This might just be the APS-C camera to watch in 2025. Don't miss the official announcement.